the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, a power rear cargo door, adjustable pedals, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.